Windows 11 KB5034204 crashes File Explorer, Taskbar and won't install for some. According to reports, Windows 11 KB5034204 won't install for some people due to 0x800700D. Others are encountering taskbar problems and some cannot use File Explorer if the update stalls successfully. KB 5034204 is an optional update for Windows 11 23S2, 22S2 and Microsoft has already confirmed this path won't download or install automatically. If you have not installed the update yet, you might want to skip it due to the potential issues. In our comment section, user report that the Windows 11 January 2024 update fails to install or crashes the taskbar and File Explorer. User on Feedback Hub also confirmed that KB503204 is failing to install with error 0x800700D being a common issue. This occurs when the installation reaches 100% with message indicating missing files. As you can see in the above screenshot, Windows automatically roll back the update after a failed installation attempt. When the happens, you may see the something did not go as planned. No need to worry. Undoing changes, please keep your computer on message on your screen. It is important to understand these installation issues we are also experienced with the Windows 11 KB50344123 security patch, and the bug has also slipped into the optional release. Despite efforts like running the update troubleshooter and the system file explorer SFC, the issue persists for many. KB50344204 breaks file explorer and taskbar. In addition to stall, WoW's Windows 11 January 24 update has also led to unexpected problems with File Explorer. File Explorer has become unresponsive for some, especially after attempting and failing to install the update. In some cases, the desktop screen goes black for a bit before coming back. Other report that Windows throws an error message about explorer.exe error during shutdown. Some users have reported that after installing KB50344204, they are unable to interact with desktop icons like the PC or recycle bin, nor can they access the taskbar icons. Our tests also observed that Windows 11 KB50344204 causes the taskbar to disappear. If you are affected, the taskbar won't appear unless you press Windows plus X. Even then, pressing the Windows button on the keyboard or clicking it on the taskbar doesn't show the start menu. I experienced the same issue since it's impossible to hide the update. The only current solution is to disable automatic update from downloading. One of the affected users confirmed experiencing similar issues in a post on Reddit. Another issue involves aggregator host.exe, which has been reported to fail during initial boot and subsequent restarts over several months. Not everything is terrible with this update, though it does fix some other problems. For some example, it has fixed an issue that allows use the search bar in the start menu to work better. According to release notes, which still say the company is unaware of issues, the update improves the File Explorer gallery, fixing a bug, preventing user from closing tooltips. It also improves the performance of Bluetooth earbuds and allows you to attend calls over Bluetooth smoothly using your PC. Despite these fixes, the overall user experience with the Windows 11 update remains mixed due to installation and other problems many face.